Hey guys, Rhonda Nickerson here from Rhonda's Creative Corner, and on today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make a perfect tree topper. All right, so let's talk about the things that we need for our tree toppers. I would say that you need at least 3 different picks. For mine this year I'm actually using 5 different picks, and I also will use these picks in my tree as well. So let me show you what I'm going to be using for mine. You always want to, if you can, get a flower, some type of poinsettia, some type of, just depending on what you're doing for your tree, which holiday you're doing. I always like to have a beautiful flower to use in my tree topper. All right, so this here is the tree topper that I'm going to be using, and I have to go in and fix this as well. I need to glue that back, but that's okay. This is the beautiful tree topper that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use this. All right, I'm going to use this sprig spray as well. It's rose gold. I'm going to use this berry and leaf spray. I'm also going to use this leaf spray, and I'm going to use this pampas. All right, so I'm going to get the ladder set up and we are going to get started. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect tree topper. Let's get started. All right guys, so what you want to do is you want to take your tallest piece and you want to place it first. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it here and you're going to put it here. Find you an open area, and you want to put it straight, going straight down, okay? And this is a 9-foot tree, so I'm going to be placing 3 different bundles around the tree. So we're going to have one here, and one here to cover the tree, okay? Because this is a 9-foot tree. Anything smaller, you can do 2 bundles and then use the rest in your tree. All right, so you're just going to take it here. So you have the spine of the tree, right? You're gonna take it and you're just gonna place it down in the spine of the tree. Now this tree is pretty tight, but you can always use some of the branches that are there and tie it in. Or if you wanna wait until you have everything already in there, then you can too, to tie it in. But I kinda like tying it in one at a time, okay? All right, so we're gonna take that one. Then we're going to grab another one, our next tallest one. I need to have me a little work table up here. And so one of your key things that you want to do is you want to go ahead and fluff all of your, I will do a tutorial on that as well, but you want to go ahead and fluff all of your picks before you put them out there. Because when you get them and they're brand new, they're always like together, you know, so you want to kind of spread them out. And I'll do a tutorial on fluffing that as well. All right, so we're going to take this one here, and we're going to do this one also. We're just going to place it going straight down. And I'm going to put this one just a little bit lower than the pampas. All right. Then we're going to grab the next one. So I really wasn't sure which one I wanted to use next, so I'm going to see. So put that one in. And make sure, y'all, these have wire in it. Make sure when you get your picks that they have wire in it and you can bend it the way that you want it to go, okay? I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna place that one down inside. Yeah, I think I like that one. And you can intermingle these, and I'm gonna show you what intermingle means in just a second, all right? And then I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna put my flower here at the base. I always want my flowers to go here at the base. If you want to, you can have flowers coming up. I think it looks better when you just have your trees right here. I mean your flowers right here at the base, okay? Of your spray. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna kind of intermingle these where we have different picks coming out different ways, all right? I'm gonna bring my berries forward where you're able to see them. Make sure my poinsettia is popping. Y'all know that's my word, popping. All right. All right, and so that's how you do it. You have whatever layers you have, you're gonna put your tallest first, and then you're gonna work your way to your poinsettia. You wanna add your poinsettia last. Like I said, y'all, you can tie this stuff in, but you don't necessarily have to, especially if you have a high-end tree. Most of the time you have so many branches and things that it's going to look, it's going to be very tight in there with the pine. And so you really don't have to tie it in, but you can for security if you want to. If you're doing an install, I definitely would tie it in, but this is my tree. If something falls off, I can just get up there and tie it in. And also if it's your tree too, if you don't want to have to get back up there and fix something, you can go ahead and tie it in. But my stuff is pretty tight. Doesn't seem like it's gonna go anywhere. So I'm gonna add the next 3 picks and then I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so when you're doing this, try your best to get your picks to go straight down the spine of the tree. Once you have placed them straight, you're able to maneuver them the way you want them to go, especially if you have wire within your picks. All right, guys, so I have everything in place, but as you guys can see how everything looks like it's kind of falling down, I'm going to do something. So I got another one of these. And I'm actually going to, I will cut this so that it won't go all the way through, but I just want to show you. I'm going to put this in between, but I'm going to have it coming down. So I fluffed it already, and then I'm just going to bend it down, and then I'm going to place this going up. So it looks like it's kind of cascading down, okay? I've never tried this before, but with these particular sprigs here, it kind of makes it look everything is kind of falling down, and I love that. And y'all, so what I did with the pampas too, I took it, all of them are on separate little stems. I took it and I spread it out where it's not all sticking together, okay? I think I'm gonna go up, make sure my shirt right. I think I'm gonna go up a little bit higher, so it looks like it's just falling from there, right? And you can go in, I'm not gonna do that here, but you can go in and you can tie that in as well. I don't wanna have to, since I'm filming, I don't want to have to stop the camera and do all that to get closer to tie it in. And you just kind of bring everything forward, kind of spread everything out. So I'm going to do one in between each flower, okay? Each poinsettia, I'm going to do one. And then like I said with the pampas, I just took this and just kind of spread it out to where it's not all sticking together. Spread it out to make it look fuller. So bring that up some. Right? And so what you want to do is you just want to keep playing with it and until it looks perfect in the way that you want it to look, right? So once I add the ribbons and everything, it's going to be amazing. Amazing. So like I said, I'm just going to keep playing with this. I want everything to look full. Just gonna keep playing with it until I like it and everything's full. I'm gonna add one more of these kind of cascading down, and then that will be it. I'll show you the final product. Be right back. All right, guys, so there you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to push that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.